Big old bullfrog trying to eat it. That fucking bullfrog wants that shit. Look at that bullfrog, it's huge. Morning. So, stopped real quick, check out this spot. I've never fished this part of the lake because it's usually blocked by tules and a bunch of grass and weeds. There's a rat. That's crazy. So far, I've seen a monster. Oh, there he is. I've seen a monster. Get this fool. This rat keeps coming out. Oh my god! Dude, I had a fish. Damn it. This rat keeps on distracting me right here. Oh, that freaking bullfrog is huge. I do not want to catch that fool. I don't know where that rat went, but it was huge. No, it was a little rat, but this bullfrog is huge, dude. Look at that guy. He's huge, dude. He's huge. Trying to get a sick frog bite on camera. Dude, that bullfrog wants it. He's huge. Oh, he's huge, bro. He wants it so bad. There's a bunch of bullfrogs right here. I'm gonna bounce. So, you want to fish far away from the bank when you bank fish. Ooh, something's biting out there. Got one? Nice, you got one. Well, you want to fish far from the bank so you don't spook whatever might be on the bank. So I'm going to blow this spot out for a minute. And then I'm gonna fish the bait. Looks like homeboy over there already got one. Good for him. Good for that guy, that's awesome. Alright, I already hit the bank. So there's no bass right here. But show. Now I can cast this way along the bank. Yeah, is that big boy? Hey, you caught a big ass one out here, huh? Last what, couple weeks ago? That's right. Yeah, I fucking been on the kayak a lot, so I said fuck it, I'll try some bank fishing. But it's yeah, it looks like it's making a comeback. Yeah, and it's hot too. So imagine like next spring. Oh, it's gonna be cracking. Gong? That's Kevin's, right? Yeah. One of my homies from work, he went in the morning, and he was throwing a whopper plopper, and he got like 16 inches. Yep. Yeah, they're still growing. It was like 2 years ago. They had to empty it out because all the dead fish. But they're decent. They're fun, you know. And that's just what people have caught. You know, like I caught a big ass one. Well, it was probably like 2.5 pounds, but it was short and thick, so it was fucking heavy, and put up a good fight. And then I think my boy got like a 2.7. Yeah. So it's cool. It's cool to pull up real quick, check it out. You know, like I usually go there like before work or after work, real quick. I came last week, and no, it was lower. It was lower, yeah, and they weren't letting no water in. Yeah. Uh huh. Bring it through, yeah. Yeah. I don't know how deep it is, but I guess it gets kind of deep in the middle. I guess you can't. Well, I guess you can't fish from it. I don't know why, but I don't know. What? Bro, every time I come out here, bro, the wardens fuck with me, dude. Yeah, bro. So it'll be my luck, bro. I'll fucking bring it out and they'll fucking pull up. But I'm gonna try to go to Castaic next week. Try to take the kayak out there to the lagoon. That's what I hear. Yeah, I've never caught a striper either, so I've hit it one time, but the gates were closed. Right there by the golf course. But everybody goes there, you know, like it's kind of blown out already. Yeah. Yeah. But they're letting hella water in. Fuck yeah, I got one. Got one. came right out. Those hooks are not that sharp. You have any luck down there? Fuck, bro. I came last Friday, dude, and they were fucking shallow, dude. You can see them everywhere. I don't know if it's because that rain, the little sprinkles we just had, or... Damn. It was like last week you would walk up, and then you would see the big ass fucking ripple. I'm like, damn. Now, nothing. Morning, Grandma. At the lake, what's up? Okay, cool. What was it? The spark plugs? Oh. Well, I didn't even use it. Okay, how much I owe you? Okay. Okay. Okie dokie. All right. This thing is freaking monster. Look at that. Huge, dude. Look at this thing, dude. Monster. Look at this thing, dude. Thanks for the bite. Any luck down there? Damn. Bro, the Lord blessed me, bro. Oh, I fucking chucked this shit out there. I never fish Texas rig. I'm always like, oh, that family chat. Let me try this shit out. This yum baits on clearance shit, you know? Like, from Walmart. Yes, bro. I chucked it out there. I'm just hopping it, and then fucking doomp. And I fucking reeling it in. I'm like, what the fuck is it? Because it didn't jump, and it was just swimming sideways. It was a fucking big ass bass.
Oh, no shit.
Like 3 pounds, bro.
Did you get it in? Bring it up or no?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. I was getting fucking hot.
Oh, I'm about to leave too. Where's it at?
Oh, shit. Hell yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, they're on the bottom right now, dude. It's too hot for them.
Yeah.
It's too hot for them. 'Cause I was trying to throw some top water, but it's
That's all I did this morning, bro.
nothing on that.
Nothing, bro.
I had that one little blow up on a pad, but it was tiny little bass.
Yeah.
I didn't tie my leader on correctly, and it came off. But
When they're small, they just fucking smack it. They don't
actually eat it.
They don't slurp it. Yeah.
So I think that's it for me here for a while.
Yeah, I'm fucking about to head home.
All right, man. I'll see you.
Take it easy.